What's up, you guys? Hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. If you're interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to check out our videos and subscribe to our channel. As you are all aware that we have started the initiative of explaining Java concepts in less than a minute, and today we are going to talk about conditional statements in Java, and that is going to be explained in under a minute. So I have created a sample class and we have the timer on the right hand side. As soon as we start this particular concept, we will hit the timer. Before starting the actual concept, let me explain the scenario. Like a student has secured a mark in a particular subject and we wanted to categorize the student whether is he a good student or an average student or whether this particular student needs improvement, and how can that be achieved using conditional statements in Java. So let's begin. As I told, like there is a condition set by the particular school. Like if the student has secured mark more than 75 and they say that this particular student is a good in that particular subject, so let's type in as a good. At the same time, if they say that if the mark is more than 50, they say him as an average student, else they say that that particular student needs improvement. So I'm going to copy in the same CISO and I'm going to put here is that that particular student needs improvement, and if the mark is more than 50, maybe we can call that particular student as an average student 50, and here I need to use a particular type called as the else if, and this is what is called as a conditional statements available in Java. Now if you try to run this particular program, it gets printed as this particular student is an average student because this mark is more than 50 and less than 75. Bingo. Hope you found this video informative. So where we spoke about the conditional statements available in Java. If you are really excited about this particular initiative of learning the concepts in under a minute, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We will meet you in one other exciting video soon. Thank you.